good morning. This is Derek from Flapjack and Beans, Big D. How you doing? I've got something nice to show you today, something that I've been waiting for it to be delivered. We've not used these products before and we're not installing them today, so there'll be a second video when the installation's being done. But if you're like me, I've ridden motorcycles many years, bloody loads of years, but anyway, you never seem to get the bars exactly how you like them. It's always a bit of a fanny for me, and your muscle memory puts up with it, and you live with it and you ride with it. And like GS's and all them, I used to put bar rise on. I always wanted them back that little bit more towards me. And maybe you don't. Maybe you feel happy with it. I mean, I don't like people who ride with them. I always think there should be a bit of kink in your arms, in your elbows here. And the KTM 1290, although we put their bar risers on it, and I've rode that for 24,000 miles with them on, and it's been alright. Every now and again I get a bit of shoulder, a bit of this. So me and Tosser Saw, who you'll see, my esteemed friend on the channel, Mick, we did some research, and he came up with this company, and we approached them and bought a couple of sets off them. And we've not installed them yet, as I say, so we're going to try them on these new bikes that we're getting, which we'll be revealing soon. So they fit most bikes anyway, so it's not a problem with handle bars. But this is what they are. I'll have to put my ladies' glasses on to go and find mine. These are they're from a Voyage Moto Technique, and they're made in Germany. This is the company, and I'm going to do a little bit with the word unboxing, which is a bit flash for me, this unboxing part, but that's who they are. There you go. And these are the products, and as I said, we've only seen them, we haven't installed them, so as you can see, this has never been opened yet, so we'll get the old trusted stag handle. We'll cut that little sucker. Let's see how we get into it. You always make them hard to get into it, I think. Right, it's called Voyage Moto Technique, as I said. What do we get in here then? So, there we get a nice big fat instruction book. You get a little picture of what they are, which is that's what they are, look. And as you can see in that picture, you can see how the bars come back to you. So it rises them and brings them back to you. How good's that? And they look cool. And they look tremendously well made. I mean, here we are. So you get screws, Allen screws. Oh, they look high tensile too, so that's good. So we get, what do we get? So look. Sure, there should be 8 of these. Yeah, there's 8 of these. Oh, there you go. So you get 8 of them. Let's see if we can see what they actually are. Yeah, nice. You get 8 of them. But what I like about it, when you've finished it, I don't know if you remember, when you've put bar eyes on, you've always got something showing. Well, this company gives you a little cap. So there you go, that little black cap will go in the end when it's all finished. And even if you haven't got black handlebars, or you've got the black will go with anything, won't it? So let's get these babies out. Don't quite know how you're supposed to get them out, but let's try. What do we do here? Bloody hell. Oh, it might be a secret. You've got to think like a German. Secret door. Oh, there's a secret door back here. Look at this. Here, you pull that baby off there. Dropping them things off. Here we go. Pull that off. Oops. I'm really losing all my black bits. I'm going to put them in that box. Right, so let's get these suckers out. And we can show them you. Yeah, they look. They're certainly well bloody packed, aren't they? Crikey. Yeah, so there they are, look. And you can see again there, look. You see how they come back to you. So you could put them that way, or you could put them that way and have them going away from you if you wanted to. Whatever floats your boat. So they'll go in there, come back. As I say. And then obviously your 2 first nuts, or bolts rather, will go in there, obviously onto your where your standard handlebars are, and they'll go there that way, and that way and come back to you. And they've got a height there, what you can see, maybe a bit higher. That will go on the top, around your handlebar. Ooh, I'm very impressed. They're certainly well made, trust me. But as I say, it's just a little video just to inform you that we will be doing an install on these. I'm not receiving any money from these guys or anything like this. It's just something we bought, and I think, top of my head, we've paid, including duty, because you have to pay a bit of duty to bring them in from Deutschland. I think we paid about 120 quid a set for these, so they're not cheap, but they look good. Let's see how they perform. So when the new bikes arrive, I'm hoping to start some videos on Saturday. I'm hoping the bike comes by Saturday. I'm hoping it does. I don't know. I'm just waiting on delivery of it, so we're not riding it. We normally just fetch them from shops, but these bikes are being delivered. So I'll keep you informed. So thanks for looking, and ride safe and be happy. I'll catch you later. Ta-ra.